So before I start this review, I want to let you guys know that you can now get this new Channel Number 12 review design t-shirt at teesprings.com/stores/Channel Number 12. Get them now while they last.
Yeah.
Channel Number 12 here, and welcome back to another food review. Today we are checking out Kit Kat chocolate. So last time I had done a Kit Kat chocolate review, the one that I had done was the cookie crumble, and I think it was the caramel crisp, if I'm correct. But there was another flavor that Kit Kat had came out with, and this one is the hazelnut flavor. And as always, the bag's always open. My family always wants to try these before me, so I thought I'd let them have, at least let them try it, give them their feedback. So I got my Kit Kat, and they always come in these little bags of 7. So you got 2 of these Kit Kats. So let's see if we can open it the right way this time. So usually you can open it like from the middle, but I guess I can't do it. So hazelnut isn't really my favorite flavor because there is hazelnut coffee, but hazelnut's never really been my favorite type of flavor, but we'll try it for you guys. So there's 2. Smell the Kit Kat. Not bad. Definitely the hazelnut flavor is really coming through. I'm actually quite surprised because a lot of times when the chocolate companies come up with their different type of chocolate and they have a hazelnut in it, a lot of times you can't really taste the hazelnut, but this one's actually quite surprising. The flavor is really coming through. The Kit Kat chocolate really is like one of my favorite types of chocolate bars. I've done a green tea Kit Kat as well, so if you guys still haven't checked out that one, I'll leave a playlist of all my Kit Kat reviews in the description, so check them all out. But it's not bad. These aren't, the hazelnut flavor is not that bad. This chocolate has a similar taste to Nutella, because Nutella is made with hazelnut. So this kind of reminds me of a flavor of Nutella with the Kit Kat. So it's like a Kit Kat and Nutella, I feel. That's what it tastes like, anyways, from my honest opinion. But your opinion may be different than mine. But in overall, it's pretty tasty. I'm actually quite surprised because now I'm starting to like hazelnut a little bit more. The crunch for that cookie, I'm not sure if that's a cookie in Kit Kat, but kind of has a texture of cookie. So I'm going to finish this. I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. Stay tuned. Here you go, everyone. That was the Kit Kat hazelnut flavored chocolate. I'm actually quite surprised. I'm actually rethinking about not liking hazelnut. If I had to choose between this one, the cookie crumble, and the caramel crisp, I would have to choose caramel crisp because that's my ultimate favorite. This would have to come in second. And this is way better than the cookie crumble. For ratings, I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5 from me to you. You got to try this. If you guys do not like hazelnut, just like me, but you guys want to try at least, try this, the Kit Kat Hazelnut Crunch. You guys will definitely like it. If you guys have tried this one already, let me know in the comment section below on what you guys thought about it. So for those who haven't tried this yet, definitely try it and then come back and let me know what you guys all think. So hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you never miss a review. All my links, my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and of course, cooking videos. So until next time, peace out.
Yeah.